There are many different types of coffee makers. Buying one that has all the bells and whistles can be expensive. However, there are some things that you should look for when purchasing one. When choosing a coffee maker, it is important to consider the design. Some designs are built for convenience, while others are built to look good. Whether you like the look of a brushed steel finish or a glossy painted exterior, choosing a coffee maker with good looks will make your morning rituals more enjoyable. Here is a great model you should consider. This unit comes with various features, so make sure to read the reviews to see if it fits your needs.
In 2012, my wife and I were gifted our first Keurig. It was a simple, solid unit that lasted over 8 years. Then it had started to spring leaks and failed to brew. We jumped and bought a comparative model from Keurig, but it only lasted about 1 year and had a litany of leaks, stumbles, and snaps. Speaking with family, the recent generation of Keurig brewers seems to be less durable than my OG one, so we opted to try a Ninja after being a fan of their blender. What a positive difference! Pros: can do both pods and grounds, fast, built-in cleaning ability, drip stopper, hot water system, multiple brew modes and strength. The biggest bonus is it can fit larger size travel mugs, especially a Starbucks cup purchased at their Reservoir roastery in Seattle. No other brewer has ever fit something this size, and slightly smaller cups required weird shoving and manipulation of where you place the pod. Not here. Cons: Reservoir is a bit smaller, no auto on for the morning to preheat pods, but honestly it seems to brew at the same speed as a Keurig that was preheated. My wife also needed the richer setting for her drink, though I've been fine with classic. Honestly, minor issues. I haven't tried brewing anything with specialty settings, using the hot water dispenser, or frother, but am happy to have that as a bonus. Buy something that'll do it all, buy this Ninja. I bought this machine because it had the best reviews, has a removable water pitcher, and brews a carafe and K-cup. The machine makes great coffee and is quick and quiet.